Well, my name is Suhas and I belong to a Sindhi family. I was born and brought up in Udaipur. Uh, I completed my school education from Kendriya Vidyalaya and then I did my graduation from Techno India Engineer College as an IT E-Tech engineer. After that, I got a job in Microsoft in HCL in Gurgaon initially, and then I switched over to Microsoft in Gurgaon. After near about 4 to 5 years, I left that company, I left that job, and I started my own business. Again, that was something I got help from my father and from my family. But yes, I am a startup owner now, and I'm glad I'm doing it. My family, my parents, my mother, father, my wife, and my sister, and a pet. So that's it from my family. Well, I started my business. The inspiration actually came from my company where I was working. The amount of work that we used to do there always made us realize that we can do something for ourselves, and that made us show that whatever we will do for ourselves, we will get success. It can take some time, an year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years down the line. We can face struggles. However, I was pretty much sure in my mind कि हाँ ये मैं निकाल लूँगा and I'll be a successful industrialist. The product that we are manufacturing right now are PVC pipes, flexible PVC pipes. It is generally used in construction or at homes or in agriculture purpose. Initially our intention was to start something different. However, after getting some information regarding this product from our close relatives, we started this line of manufacturing. The products that we are manufacture are generally PVC pipes. One example would be level pipes that is used in construction mostly. So journey till now has been good. I have seen where so many ups and downs. I would say it'll be a mixed bag of my journey. There are some times when we think otherwise. After coming from a job where I was paid on a higher note, and then investing all the money that I had or my family had, it was really difficult initially to move into some point of time where I had to face setbacks. The things didn't go according to how I planned them, but support from my family and my friends always helped me in overcoming those situations. Well, the success mantra has always been for me is maintaining good relation with the employees that are working in our company, and making sure the our customers are pretty much satisfied with whatever we are providing them. uh, when I say whatever, that means the quality of the product and the time at which we are delivering it to them. Again, since I belong to an industry where the product is very much dependent upon the rate of the rate of the product. So being competitive in the market, getting competition from Gujarat is again a huge discomfort for us, but making sure that there is no other such company in Udaipur, so it has helped us. And finding good customers is really important. We have been through some difficult times, but again, our customer relations has been very good, and that has really helped us in growing as a company. Right, so the sacrifices were mostly what I would say is that since the employees are not as much educated as we prefer in other IT companies or other big MNCs, so dealing with them was kind of very important for me. And how to, coming from a job, from an IT job, dealing with the employees over there, knowing more about my product, more about my services and my own self. Here it was not like that. Here it was for me to inspire them. I was socially very much departed from my friends. Not many friends are here in Udaipur now, so mostly are at other places. So I didn't get enough chances to be socially connected with people. With family, I was mostly at work initially. I used to work till 10 or 11 at night, so that I can make sure we are providing our product to the customers at right time. This was the biggest sacrifice that I think I have made. I don't think I was a born leader. I won't hesitate saying this. Leadership is something I don't think someone can easily learn until unless he comes into that situation, he takes that role and follows it by heart. Again, I'm still learning how to be a successful leader, how to be, working with my employees and making sure that they are happy with what we are providing to them. But yes, for leadership, I'll say it's my father who has always helped me in growing and telling me कि भाई क्या करना चाहिए एंड क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, हाउ टू मेक श्योर कि आपके अंडर जो भी एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं दे डोंट रन अवे सडनली ऑन अ डे कि यार ये तो हम पे चलाते हैं. एंड most importantly is understanding their problems and making sure कि they don't think कि this company that doesn't provide them enough facilities for their own self. For me, my father has always been a role model. Again, there are multiple people in Bollywood industry or in sports industry who I look forward to. But whatever learnings I've got from my father. How he manages his work and how he used to manage when he was an employee in a government organization. Again, there were some situations, there were some times when we were financially not as strong. There were many problems, and the way he worked, after coming from a government job and then doing his own work for betterment of his family. I think, again, that is a job of a father, but how well he did and how well he managed everything, I am proud of him. I was born in Shaktinagar area of Udaipur. It's a Sindhi colony. I started my education in Maharana Mewar Vidya Mandir. I think my childhood memories were best in that school. I studied till 5th class there, and I used to participate in a lot of Hindi theatres and again sports. At that time I was a good player too. However, if there's a memory I would like to cherish, it was always playing a theatre, a Hindi theatre, where I was made into a Lalu Yadav, and I was playing his character, and there was a girl beside me who was playing the character of Rabdi Devi. So that was the best childhood memory I can ever say in my life. If I get an opportunity to start my studies all over again, apart from career, I would prefer being a pilot more than what I am right now. I did got an opportunity to interview for a commercial pilot. Luckily, I cleared it, but due to our financial conditions, we were not financially strong enough to pay the fees for that padai and everything. And yes, I think if I get that opportunity again, I will try to somehow grab it. So being an industrialist is, I think, one of the very difficult tasks. An entrepreneur, there have to be a lot of sacrifices to be made. You have to be patient. There will be times when you'll feel low, you'll feel down, you might think something which will not be good for your family or for yourself, but you have to be patient. You have to be with your parents or with your family. You have to be with your friends. You have to be very much open-minded. You have to understand that yes, if something has gone wrong, you have to correct it. You don't have to hide behind the lies and whatever fall downs you have seen. So be strong. Try to stand up again. Learn how to fall down and never give up. Never ever give up. After work, I have not many friends in Udaipur now, so I prefer On some days I prefer going with them, having some fun for parties, or on most of the days I prefer being with my family, my wife. We go for long drives on our week offs or our weekends. We prefer going to some picnic, or let's say some movies. Unfortunately, that's not a situation right now, but yes, spending time with family, as I said, is very important when you are a startup or owner or an industrialist. Spending time with family and friends is what I prefer doing. This pandemic uh, actually has affected a lot of small scale industries like us, and I would say ki we have got support from government too, unlike what we see on news channels or social media. Government has helped us. Yes, there were times when you know our employees were very much worried about what will happen, whether they will stay in the company or not. But for me, I never let them down. Yes, neither I deducted their salaries as much as that their homes won't work. So I made sure that my employees were getting their salaries. They were motivated. I was motivated. Government helped us, and slowly and gradually, when the market started again, we came back on track. And now, luckily, we are again at a situation or at a place where our company is right now running smoothly. Not as compared to what the situations were prior to this pandemic, but yes, we have pretty much gained the pace again, and hoping to move further in coming times. So I'll thank the audience now for listening to my whole story. I hope it would have inspired you, it would have given you some inspiration. And before I leave, an inspirational song for everyone out there. आंखों में सपने लिए घर से हम चल तो दिए, जाने ये राहें अब ले जाएंगी कहाँ। मिट्टी की खुशबू आई, पलकों पे आंसू लाई, यादों में रह जाएगा ख्वाबों का जहां। मंजिल नई है, अनजाना है कारवां, चलना अकेले है यहाँ। तन्हा दिल, तन्हा सफर, ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर, तन्हा दिल. Thank you. So everyone out there, just before I leave, if you guys think you have a story to tell everyone that can inspire even a single person, please do not hesitate to come over to this platform, WorkMob, and share your story. Please go ahead, share your story as much as possible. Cheers.